This is going to be the goodest prank ever. He will never expect me doing it. I better tiptoe. Okay. Okay, now where is that camera? There is the camera. Now where do I put this? In here. Where should I put the suitcase? Up there. He will never expect me doing it. You should never know to prank my little mind with some rainbow poop. Hee hee hee. What did you just do? Oh, I just hid his camera. Where? Where? I hid it in your suitcase and I put it up on the high shelf. He can't reach it. Yeah, he can't. And I'm the only one that can jump higher than him. Yeah? Baby Ryan, can I please get your hat, please? Okay. I really want my hat anyways. He will never assist a thing. Here you go, baby Ryan. Here you go, baby Ryan. I'm going to give you the mask. Okay. Give me your mask. I can't. I'm going to wash it off.
Oh, did you like yummy nummies?
He. Wahaha! See you later, bro.
See you later, bro. See you later, bro. See you later, bro.